The last step to finding the circumcenter of this triangle is to find the point where the two perpendicular bisectors intersect, because the circumcenter is that point where all three bisectors meet. So I'm going to take the two equations I have here. The first is negative 3x plus 5, and because it equals y, it will be equal to this equation, which also equals y. So let's start solving. Let's subtract 3, or add 3x to both sides. That will leave us with 5 equals 2x subtract 3. Now let's add 3 to both sides. That leaves me with 8 equal to 2x. Divide both sides by 2 and I end up with x equals 4. Now I should be able to take this number 4 and plug it back into this equation and get an answer, and plug it back into this equation and get an answer for y, and the two answers should be the same. So in the first equation, we have negative 3. We'll multiply that value times 4, and then we'll add 5. This part is negative 12. Negative 12 plus 5 is negative 7. So the point here for x was 4 comma negative 7. Let's see what we get when we plug the value 4 into this equation. We have negative 1 multiplied by 4, subtract 3. This part is negative 4, subtract 3. That means that 4 comma negative 7 is also a point on that line. Both lines intersect at the point 4 comma negative 7. This is the coordinates for the circumcenter of that triangle in problem 1.